Hello, good afternoon, all of you. Today we're going to start another topic of coordination chemistry is geometrical isomerism in octahedral complexes. In last lecture, we saw the geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. Basically, there are two coordination number we're going to discuss, coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. In coordination number 4, we have the two geometries, square planar and tetrahedral. But only square planar geometry complexes shows the geometrical isomerisms. Tetrahedral does not shows the geometrical isomerism. So we move to the next, the coordination number 6 complexes has the octahedral geometry. So we are going to discuss here the geometrical isomerism in octahedral complexes. When we are going to discuss the given topic, that time there are number of conditions because here 6 ligands are attached to the central metal atom or ion octahedrally at octahedral corners. But nature of ligand shows different types of complexes, means different types, shows geometrical isomerism in a coordination in octahedral complexes. So here we are going to discuss the first point is the which type of ligands which present in octahedral complexes. So depending on that, we classify this topic in three categories. Means in first category, all the monodentate ligands attached to the central atom. 6 monodentate ligands attached to the central atom. In second category, some monodentate and some other bidentate ligands also attach it. Third topic, again bidentate, and you know bidentate has two types of possibilities, geometry orientation, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. So symmetrical bidentates are attached or unsymmetrical bidentates are attached. We will going to discuss it. So before going to move here in the our first, so here we discuss first topic is the coordination complexes containing monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. That means all ligands are monodentate. So here you all know the geometry of octahedral complexes. Suppose we consider this. So here so is the octahedral geometry, 4 planes at the above and 4 planes at the below. That means only 6 ligands are at the corner, but geometry is octahedral. So this orientation has the positions, means the ligand has their position. So here we start the numbering. This is the first number position, then second, third, fourth, fifth in a plane, and last one at the bottom or below the plane is the sixth position. So first position, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, once you know the positions, you will easily relate the which positions are cis to each other and which positions are trans to each other. You already know what is a cis. Cis means if two similar groups lie adjacent to each other, we say is the cis isomers or cis orientation. And when two similar groups lie at the opposite to each other, means there is a trans to each other at 180 degree, that means is the trans isomer. So 90 degree and 180 degree, this is very important. So here, if we visualize, if this geometry in a three-dimensional rotation, 3D motion, so means there is a plane, one is above, one is below, is the orientation. Means if we consider here, this is the dotted lines, that means there is a bonds are attached or corners are attached. Okay, 6 ligands are attached. Okay, so here this bond is 90 degree, this bond is 90 degree, again here the bond is 90 degree, Again here the bond is again 90 degree. Same thing is for below. This relate with each other at 90. This one again 90, 90, 90. Means the position 1, 2, 1, 2 position at the 90 degree with each other, means suppose two ligands which are similar, if they lie at a 1, 2 position, again we consider is the cis. Okay, so 1, 2 is the cis, as well as second one is 1, 3 also cis, because again 90 degree. 1, 4 also 90 degree, means 1, 4 position consider as a cis position. 1, 5 again we consider cis position. Okay, for below axial bond also consider same thing. This 3 number and 6 number, if we consider this way, again there is a 90, means 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. Again these 4 position also cis to each other. After that, if two ligands attach 2, 3 positions, similar ligands here 2 and 3, again there is the same side. That means again 2, 3 position, 3, 4 position, 4, 5 position, 5, 2 position, means the 12 position has 90 degree angle. There are possible positions. If two similar ligands attach one of the position here, but 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5 are equivalent with each other, because all are same. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 is equivalent to these 3 position, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 5. Okay, and here 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6 are equivalent to each other, are equivalent. Same conditions, same positions. So either two substituents are here or here or here or anywhere, both, because it is a square planar. One is axial, one is means above the axial, below the axial. So if you will understand which positions are cis to each other and which positions are trans to each other, so here the 12 possible positions are cis to each other, means two similar groups if lie at these positions, that means these are the cis to each other. Okay. Similarly, so all positions are cis positions. And for trans has only 3 possibility. Trans means 180 degree angle. Okay, so 180 degree angle means they are directly opposite to each other. So here 2 and 4 directly opposite to each other. So 2, 4. Then 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And last one is the 1 and 6. They are directly opposite to each other. 1 and 6. So these are trans positions. These are trans positions. Means two similar substituents lie at these positions. That means we say this is the trans isomer. Is the trans isomer of each other. So this is very important. First of all, you understand which are the cis position in octahedral complexes and which are trans position in octahedral complexes. But basically, if we have the two identical groups, that means we have only 2 orientations for cis. These 8 positions are equivalent. Means the two substituent 1, 2 असतील, 1, 3 असतील, 1, 5 असेल, 1, 4 असेल किंवा 6, 5 असेल, all are same. Because they are one axial and equatorial, one axial, one equatorial, one axial, one equatorial, one axial equatorial, axial equatorial, axial equatorial, axial equatorial, or same axial equatorial, axial equatorial, axial equatorial, or axial equatorial. Means all positions are axial equatorial. Means these 8 positions are equivalent, considered as the same positions. But here, this position again there is a second possibility, because both are equatorial. Equatorial, 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 equatorial. Equatorial means in the plane and axial means above the plane, and you will familiar with this concept in organic chemistry. Okay. And for trans, there are three possibilities: 1, 2, and 3. After this, the complexes when we describe as a cis or trans, once you understand this thing, which are cis and which is trans, you easily predict the structures of cis and trans isomer of given complexes. So first understand or predict which type of a complex is given to you, and then draw the possible isomers, is cis or trans. In some cases the possible isomers are formed, in some cases cis and trans are possible. So cis trans possible or not? If possible, draw the both. If not, then we draw the possible isomers. Okay, we're going to discuss one by one. So what is the condition? Here M is the metal and we have the 6 ligands. So which 6 ligand? Because here number of complexes are possible. All ligands are different, 4 are same, 2s are different. Okay, 3s are same, 3s are different. So this way here number of possibilities. But here we are going to discuss one by one. So here we are going to discuss M A4 B2. The first type is M A4 B2 type. Means here, and very important thing is in coordination complexes there are two positions, different position, axial position and equatorial position. There are 4 equatorial positions and 2 axial positions, right? So when we consider the type of complex, here A4 and B2. So it is very easy. The A4, 4 ligands are same, B2, 2 ligands are same. So first of all we draw the structure. Okay, we draw first 6 bonds around the metal, then try to cis and trans. If you want to cis, so cis and trans predicted on this number, 2 number, because 4 means all it is possible, 4s are different, so we make the different orientation. So B2 is responsible for C2, cis and trans in given type of complex. So think about B2. So what is a cis? Cis means all ligands are cis to each other, or not all, but more the proportion is cis as compared to trans. So maximum proportion, maximum orientation is cis, we say is the cis isomer. Okay. So in given compound, suppose we want to cis position. So I already told you which positions are cis, 1, 2. So suppose B is here, this B is here, A, 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 A. Okay, this is a 1, 2 position. That means 1, 2 position is cis, means 2 similar group at the same position. And for A, here 1, this is a 6, 3 position, again cis. This is a 6, 4 position, again cis. This is a 6, 5 position, again cis. Again here 3 and 4 position, again cis. 4 and 5 position, again cis. Means all the bonds here, no doubt here different. Think about the similar groups and how they lie or attach to the central part. So both the B groups, B ligand attach cis to each other, and all the A ligands attach cis to each other. Okay, it is the first thing. For trans, so it is difficult to draw directly trans, means all ligands are the trans to each other. So these 4 ligands which are similar are the part of plane, Okay, and the 2 ligands, one is B is here, another B is here. Means if all these ligands are cis to each other, but they are in a plane. If we cut the plane, B is above, another B is below. That means we bisect the molecule in 2 equal halves. It is a symmetry is operation. Symmetry is exist. That means molecule is equally half cut through this plane. That means this B and this B are opposite to each other, and the ligands are halfly cut when we do the operation. So that time we said is the trans to each other. These two positions are trans to each other. आता तुम्हाला असं वाटत असेल की सर हे ए तर प्लेनमध्ये ते सीस आहेत, पण ते प्लेनमध्ये सीस ठेवलेत, म्हणजे ते आपण इथं सिमेट्री कन्सिडर करणार आहेत की ते प्लेनमध्ये आहेत आणि एक अबाऊ आणि एक बिलो आहे, म्हणून बी वरती ओरिएंटेशन डिसाईड होतंय की ते सीस आहे का ट्रान्स आहे. पण इथं सगळ्या पोझिशन्स काय होत्या, ऑल पोझिशन्स आर सीस, सगळ्या पोझिशन सीस होत्या, पण इथं ही पोझिशन ट्रान्स आहे आणि हे प्लेनमध्ये सीस आहेत, म्हणून प्लेनमध्ये कन्सिडर करणार नाही, ॲक्सेल इक्वेटोरियलवर कन्सिडर करायचं किंवा ॲक्सेलवर कन्सिडर करायचं. सो हिअर इज अ सीस इज द ट्रान्स, सीस और ट्रान्स. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फॉर गिवन टाइप इज PT NH3,4Cl2. This is the example which is given to you, PT NH4Cl2, or suppose you consider this CO NH34Cl2. Here is a plus charge because platinum has +2 oxidation state, cobalt has +3 oxidation state, is most stable oxidation state. That's why here is a positive charge. Don't think about this. So only think about the central metal and how many types of ligands are present and how many number of ligands are present. Okay, so here we consider, you can consider any one example, both having same. We consider this because I provided in notes this example. So cobalt is at the center. So for cis, the B type of ligand is given is Cl and A type ligand is NH3. So Cl is here, Cl, NH3, 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 NH3 is the cis isomer, and for trans, Cl is here, another Cl is here, NH3, so cis and trans isomers of each other. This is the example. You can use this example or another first example or another number of examples are given. Just identify which type of complex is given, M, A4, B2, or the another topic we will going to discuss in later examples. Okay, so this is all about the first example. First type is M, A4, B2 type. Okay, going to next example is MA3B3. MA3B3 second type. आता बघा काय दिलंय, 3 ligands are same, another 3 ligands are same. So first of all draw the positions, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 ligands are same. So here all for cis, it is very important, all 3 positions lie at the cis to each other. So here we consider, suppose A is here, A, and here we consider B, B, B. Okay, look at here, 1, 2 position cis, 1, 3 cis, 2, 3 cis. Okay, here 6, 5 cis, 6, 4, 6, 6, 5 again cis, and here 4, 5 again cis. So all 3 are cis to each other, all these 3 cis to each other. So these 3 and these 3 are cis to each other. So it is called as cis. The another name is, it is a facial isomer. Facial isomer. So what is a facial isomer? Facial isomer is present in this type of given complex. For trans, how draw the trans isomers? So again, these two positions, means all positions are trans to each other is difficult. All positions are trans to each other is difficult. So here we think A is here, A is here, is the trans to each other. We draw the B is here, B is here. So what remaining? One A is remaining, one B is remaining. So we can here or here both are same. A is here, B is here. So this position is cis. This position is cis, but maximum how many cis positions? 1, 2 positions are cis, but this is the trans, there is a trans. So if we bisect the molecule in a plane, it is possible AA or you can replace BB are opposite to each other. That means we consider here cis. We consider here trans. So is the trans isomer, or they are called as Maradonial isomer. It is very important word when number of times in competitive examinations facial isomer and Maradonial isomers asked in examination. So here different arrangements are possible. I think something wrong. Okay, just I make some changes here. Here A is opposite here, so just replace here A and B. Sorry, because here the trans isomers make in plane. So BB and AA and remaining at the axial positions. That means it is a trans or Maradonial isomer. Just changes here. Okay, so for that we consider the example is CO NH3 thrice Cl3. CO NH3 thrice Cl3. So CO is here. So for facial isomer, all Cl's are adjacent at the same phase and remaining NH3s at the opposite phase. So that's why called facial. If you imagine in 3-dimensional, so it is a make some plane and phase. So it is directly bisect. So this like in a cross. When you go on YouTube or on the net, draw the 3-dimensional structures of facial and Maradonial isomers of octahedral complexes, you easily understand this concept. And for Maradonial, Cl NH3, here is the NH3 Cl. So this way we can draw the possible cis and trans isomer of given MA3B3 type of complex. Next type of complex we are going to discuss is, सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला डिफिकल्ट, जोपर्यंत तुम्ही स्ट्रक्चर्स ड्रॉ करत नाही प्रॅक्टिस, तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला आयसोमेरिझमचे स्ट्रक्चर्स इझिली अंडरस्टँड होणार नाही. कन्फ्युजन नका करू. तुम्ही जर ड्रॉ केलं तर तुम्हाला इझिली अंडरस्टँड होईल. एम A, B, C, D, E, F, this type means all ligands are different. All ligands are different. So here it is impossible to draw all the isomers because all ligands are different. Means here cis and trans is not possible. Here possible is the possible isomers here. Means there are formation of possible isomers, and this type of complexes form different type of possible isomers, and theoretically 15 isomers are possible. How many? 15 isomers are possible of this given. Means same as the above example, last one example, if we draw the structure, suppose here A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the ligands. So we can hold the one of the position and other rotates. So when we try all these structures, we get the 15 isomers, different isomers. Here possibilities are more than 15, but some are repeated, some are equivalent, identical. That's why here how many isomers are possible here? 15 isomer. It is they are impossible to draw here, and exam la विचारणार पण नाही तुम्हाला draw करायला. But just for your information, this type of complexes form 15 possible isomers. Okay, out of 15, only 3 isomers or isolate. We can isolate. Isolation means what? If anything is a mixture of different components, different products, so in synthesis or in reactions, at the end we isolate, we separate out the components, products. Suppose one reaction has two products, one is major, another is minor, one is 40%, another is 60%. We want to get only major product, we isolate, we separate it using the different mechanical method or physical method or chemical method. So this is the isolation, or this means the separation. So out of 15, only 3 are separated, possible to separate out, possible to isolate. So this type of complex shows 15 isomers, out of 15 only 3 are separated or isolated. So it is the first type. So in that first point we discussed the all the ligands are monodentate in coordination complexes. In second, in octahedral complexes containing monodentate and symmetrical bidentate. So B type is octahedral complexes containing monodentate and bidentate, but nature of bidentate is symmetrical ligand. So in second type of complex is the octahedral complex containing monodentate as well as bidentate, but nature of bidentate is symmetrical. We are going to discuss here. So the first type of example is MAA2B2. AA2B2. AA means both having same donor atom and they are linked together. That means it is a bidentate ligand. And you know example of AA type bidentate ligand is ethylene diamine, and for AB type is the glycine atom. You already know it about it. So ABSL, both atoms are same means ethylene diamine. आणि AB असेल तर both are different. AB type of bidentate ligand. Here both are same. AA type of bidentate ligand. So the complexes containing two bidentate ligands and two monodentate ligands. So here bidentate means 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6 coordination number. So we are going to draw the possible cis and trans isomer. So for cis, both the similar group 1 2 to each other. Here is the AA, they link together because it is a bidentate. Another again AA, it is another bidentate. So here these two positions are cis to each other, these two positions cis to each other, these two positions are cis to each other, means it is a cis isomer. And very important, AA is not a monodentate, it is a bidentate. So this link is very important. You can link here in short form this way, or you can directly draw the structure. Okay, both are same. For trans what happen? For trans, here cis and trans based on BB. So both the B are opposite to each other, means AA is the part of the plane. So in a plane, so that's why we bisect the molecule. So A is here, same as a A4B2, same as a A4B2, but there A4 is the monodentate. Here A, again there are 4A, but they are a part of two bidentate ligands. So just difference is here. So for that we consider example COEN2Cl2 plus. COEN2Cl2 plus. So ethylene diamine is the bidentate symmetrical ligand, Cl is the monodentate ligand. When we draw the structures of it, so at the center there is a cobalt, so here is a Cl, here is a Cl, plus charge on the complex. So here you can just write N, if you attach here, that meaning is a ethylene diamine, or if you don't understand this, you can directly draw the, so NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2, both are same. So simple, you can just NH2, so here CH2, CH2. So this way you draw the structure for the cis, and for trans, both Cls are opposite. So NH ethylene diamine is the part of so here. So ethylene diamine is a part of the plane, and both the Cls are opposite oriented with each other. That means here is the cis and given is a trans. So cis and trans isomer of the MAA2B2 type of complexes. The second complexes is given is MAA2B2, either B2, just use BC, just BC, same structures, there is no change, just replace one of the B by C, just replace one of the B by C. So BC, BC means here two bidentate symmetry ligands and two monodentate ligands which are different. Again they are different, B and C. For example, you consider the, just replace the example here, Cl and Br. Means instead of two Cl, one Cl and one Br is used. So just we replace here Br and here Br. We getting same structures for MAA to BC and MAA to B2. So just think A means first BC. This later you will understand. आता हे तुम्हाला समजलं नाही की A and B, C काय आहेत हे तुम्हाला समजायला पाहिजे. A म्हणजे पहिला लिगॅंड AA2, B दुसरा लिगॅंड, तिसरा चौथा असेल तर D, पाचवा दुसरा असून वेगळा असेल तर E, this way. So this is all about the octahedral complex containing monodentate and bidentate symmetrical ligand. We are going to discuss C type is last point is third point or C point, octahedral complexes containing bidentate but it is a unsymmetrical, bidentate but here is a unsymmetrical ligands. Means here all the ligands are bidentate and the nature is unsymmetrical. Means here only one type of example is MAB3. AB is the unsymmetrical bidentate ligand, and how many AB3s are present? 3 AB3s are present. We are going to draw the structures, simple representation for cis and trans. So AB. So for cis, suppose you consider A is here, okay, B is here, A is here, B is here. Think about second, okay, think about second and third, okay. So A is here, B is here, then in next case, A is here, B is here, and in later case, A is here, B is here, okay. So you first of all connect with each other. All positions are not a cis, but out of three orientations, two orientations are cis, okay. This A and this A cis to each other, this B and this B cis to each other, but here is there is no similarity, but here is a cis, here is the cis. That means complex is cis isomer, okay. And for trans, suppose first we draw the A and B, okay. A and B is there. You can draw A, B anywhere. If A is a, make here is the A opposite to each other, so B is here. Here is the B, make B is here and A is here. So these are linked together. So what happened? The positions are trans, these positions are trans. Only one position is remaining, means here trans isomer. Here is the trans isomer. So AA are opposite, this BB is opposite, means here A is here, only one position is cis, but this is in a plane, this position in a plane. So at X in a trans, both the similar point, similar ligand ने जे डोनर ॲटम्स आहेत की त्या बायडेंटिन लिगॅन्ड म्हणजे ए डोनर ॲटम पहिल्याचा आणि दुसऱ्याचा ए हा एकमेकांच्या समोरासमोर आहेत आणि ओके हा एक लिगॅन्ड कन्सिडर केला, हा एक लिगॅन्ड कन्सिडर केला, याचा सोडा हा एक लिगॅन्ड आहे, हा एक लिगॅन्ड आहे, याचा ए जवळ आहे तर दुसऱ्याचा बी बी समोरासमोर आहेत. So these are transposition, these are transposition. So using this concept, we easily draw the structures of cis and trans isomer in case of AB3. सगळ्या पोझिशन्स cis trans एकमेकांना होणार नाहीत कारण की 6 पोझिशन्स आहेत, बायडेंटेट आहेत, एकमेकांना अटॅच आहेत, म्हणून these are cis and trans. बघा इथं ही cis पोझिशन आहे, ही पोझिशन cis आहे, ओके, ही 1 2 पोझिशन्स हे एकमेकांना काय आहेत cis आहे, ओके. अँड सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आपण कन्सिडर करणार CR okay, CR GLY3. GLY means glycinato, and you know the structure of glycinato. Okay, so oxygen and nitrogen, these are two donor atoms. So suppose you consider nitrogen is A or oxygen is A, nitrogen is B. So this way draw the structure here. Okay, so for first case at the center is the chromium. Suppose here we consider is the A atom, is the B atom. आपण ऑक्सिजनला A म्हणूया आणि नायट्रोजनला B म्हणूया. ओके, तुम्ही काही चेंज करू शकता, नो प्रॉब्लेम. आता इथे AB टाइप आहे, A कोण आहे ऑक्सिजन आहे, B कोण आहे NH2 आहे. आता यांच्या दोघांमध्ये तुम्ही स्ट्रक्चर्स काढू शकता, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH2 NH2. नंतर इकडे A कोण आहे ऑक्सिजन आहे, B कोण आहे NH2 आहे CH2. नंतर इकडे B आहे आणि B आपण NH2 ला म्हटलेलं आहे, याला ऑक्सिजन म्हटलंय, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH2 NH2. So is the cis isomer. आणि ट्रान्स काढायचा असेल तर CR, बघा इथं काय म्हटलं आपण AA, सो ऑक्सिजन इथं आहे, इथं पण ऑक्सिजन आहे, म्हणजे इथं नायट्रोजन असेल NH2. ओके, नंतर इकडे आपण काय म्हटलं B कोणाला म्हटलं NH2 ला, A म्हटलंय ऑक्सिजनला, सो इथं ऑक्सिजन असेल, इथं NH2 असेल. आता फक्त बाकीचं स्ट्रक्चर काढा, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH2 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O. This is the structures of octahedral complexes containing bidentate unsymmetrical ligand. The type of complex is MAB3 type. So here we stop the concept, we start the lecture here. So geometrical isomers for 4 coordination and 6 coordination finish here. In next lecture we are going to discuss the optical isomers in coordination complexes. So we stop here. If you have any difficulty you can ask me later or you can send your difficulty on the group.